Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change the screen resolution type for Elsword. Okay, this anime game I'm going to change the full size, full screen size. So once you finished all the mandatory levels, you can see these options. Okay, here you can see these options. You can press escape or options O on your keyboard, or you can directly click it. Okay, and then go to options. Here come to screen display, come to here. Okay, come to graphics, resolutions. So I'm going to make it this screen resolution to 4K. I'm using 4K monitor, so I just set this. So click on apply. So now it should be full screen, but still, if it is not changing, even if you are changing to 1080 pixel or 2K pixel, and if it is not changing, you can choose this full screen, okay, or full view. So I'm going to choose this full screen and click on apply. It's now full screen. Okay, and if it is a full view, the resolution will be very superb in the full view, because you can see this 4K resolutions. For full screen, you can see the difference. Okay, both are good. You can choose video type, or even you can choose vertical sync. You need to choose and update done. Okay, if you're able to rotate your monitor, that also you can change it. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can change the resolutions, okay, display resolution for your Elsword. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks, media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.